Ụmụnne m ndị Igbo, ụtụtụ ọma ni. Thank you for joining Enu and Cultural Forum. In case today is your first time of coming across any of our beautiful educative videos, please take time to subscribe to the page and hit the notification bell so that when we post our videos, you will be among the first set of people to see them. Today we are looking at 20 similarities between Igbo and Bini language. Now, Igbo and Bini, it has been said by historians and confirmed that Proto-Igbo speaking people are among the early population of people who peopled the present-day Bini kingdom, called Anidu by the Igbos. It is believed that it was during the various Aidu Noba that led to the waves of migration of Igbo people away from the present-day Benin. Otherwise, we had Igbo-speaking people inhabiting the location called Benin today, and they are believed to be Igbos who migrated from Edo area in Igbo land and some other parts of Igbo land to present-day Bini kingdom. And then we still have traces of Igbo words in the Bini language, and we are going to look at all of them today. We are going to be looking at 20 of Igbo similar words with Bini language. Now we have Isiogbe in Igbo language. In Benin, it means Ogbe, and then in English they mean the same thing, water. We have Ri. Ri in Benin is rare, and the meaning in English is to eat. We have Ewu. In Benin you call it Ewe. In English it means goat. We have Bu. In Benin they call it Be, and in English it means to kill. Now we have Da in Igbo, De in Benin, to fall in English. You see these similarities, they are not by any means a coincidence. Now we have Odum in Igbo, Odoma in Benin, lion in English. In Enuan you have families that bear names like Oduma or Odume. It means lion. Now we have Apati in Igbo, Epeti in Benin, Bucks in English. We have Oshumili in Igbo, Ohinwin in Benin, river in English. This Igbo word is very, very interesting. It means Oshumili, that flows out water. We don't call stagnant waters like lake Oshimili or pond. We don't call those ones Oshumili. We call them Omi. Oshimili, that flows, Oshumili, that flows out water. So this word has a deeper meaning in Igbo. I don't know if a Bini person can explain it further, what Ohinwin also means. We have Okoro in some dialects of Igbo language. We have it as Okolo in some dialects of Igbo language in Enuan and all other places. In Benin we have it Okoro, and in English it means prince. All this points to the fact that it is a male. In Igbo, an Okoro may not be a prince, but he's male. We have Ubi in Igbo, Obi in Benin, farm in English. You see the similarity? We have Mbunuku in Igbo, Ebuluku in Benin, skirt in English. Mbunuku is usually worn by male. It's that big round skirt worn by males. The one worn by females is called Mpe. Now we have Nkita. Nkita. Bini call it Ekita. English is called dog. We have Okoko. Bini call it Okoko, and in English it's a fowl. Now this is a popular word because of the artifacts known as Okuko that were carted away by the British during the punitive expedition of 1897. Now we have Ugo in Igbo, Ogon in Benin, eagle in English. Now we have done 14 similarities. The space obviously could not contain, but we have more. These Igbo words like Eke, Orie, Afo, and Nkwo. In Benin, you have them as Eken, you have to have H here. Oye, remove Y, remove R and add Y. Aho, instead of Afo, and Oko. All Igbo words with similar pronunciation and meaning in Bini, they also use it as their 4 market days. I hope you enjoyed today's class. Please subscribe to our channel if this is your first time of coming across our videos and you were able to watch up to this moment. Thank you so much and do have a very pleasant day. God bless you. Leave us a comment in the comment section. Let's know how you think or what you think about these linguistic similarities between Igbo words and Benin. How did these linguistic similarities come about? Is it a coincidence or were they total Igbo speaking people truly in Benin Kingdom? Thank you and do have a very wonderful day.
Edo